If you want to upload and post a video on X, formerly Twitter, this is a quick and easy guide that will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to share a clip, a promo video, a tutorial, or a moment from your day, posting video on X is simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in, lads. First, log into your account at x.com. Once you're on your timeline, you'll see the main posting area at the top. You can either click the box that says what is happening, or you can use the blue post button in the left sidebar, depending on the layout you're seeing. Both options take you to the same compose window where you can create a new post. Now, inside the compose box, look at the row of icons along the bottom. You want to click the media icon. This is the one that looks like a small picture or landscape image with mountains. That icon is what lets you attach a photo or video from your device. Once you click it, your computer's file browser will open. From here, browse to the folder where your video is saved. Select the file you want to upload and then click Open. X will begin processing the video right away. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time. While it processes, you can add an optional caption if you want to include text with your post. You can also add hashtags, mention another account, or keep it simple and let the video speak for itself. Once the upload finishes processing, you'll be ready to publish. All you have to do is click post and your video will go live on X. That's it. Your audience can now watch, like, reply to, and share your video just like any other post on the platform. Now, there is one very important thing to keep in mind: video upload limits. If you have a free X account, you can upload videos up to 140 seconds long with a maximum file size of 512 megabytes. If you're subscribed to X Premium, you can upload much longer videos up to 4 hours with a maximum size of 16 gigabytes. So if your upload isn't going through, the first thing to check is whether your video meets those limits. If you want the smoothest results, make sure your video file is in a common format like MP4. Keep the file size reasonable and use a strong internet connection before uploading. It also helps to preview your caption before posting so you can catch any mistakes, hashtags, or tags before the video goes live. And that's the full process for uploading and posting a video on X or Twitter in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software or app you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.